Welcome to another unboxing, my friends. I got this little shifter handle hoodie. This is black with stitching. These come in a bunch of different colors, but they're pretty sweet. They're basically just like a little hoodie, and you can put the little hands in the pockets and stuff like that. Look pretty cool. Like I said, they come in most colors. Let's go try them out. All right, going from our boring little shifter to the little hoodie here. I think it looks pretty cool on there. Nice little conversation piece, or just a way to decorate your car. A little shout out to hoodies or whatever. There you go. You can scrunch it down over the top more if you want. You can have them casual look with the hands out, put them behind the head, whatever you want to do. You can do different little things where that looks pretty cool. But anyways, they come in a lot of different colors too, and any color to match your vehicle interior if you want. But pretty neat little piece here, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.